School is out for the summer, and my niece, who is going into the 7th grade, loves to read. So she wants to read this book series with 5 books. And I saw how everybody is crazy about the blind book decorating, where you wrap the book up and you give it to the person. Now, she knows what books they are already, but I still wanted to wrap them pretty. And this book kit came with everything you need to decorate your books. So we have 6 pens, and the pens are different shades of blue, which is nice. My niece loves the color blue, so I did pick the blue kit. So we have 6 different shades of blue pens. Some came loose. 6 different blue pens that we can add to the book. It comes with 6 different highlighters. Look at all those pretty colors. And then it comes with lots of lace to decorate your covers with. And here is the paper. I love that it is pre-cut. And we have the brown paper that you would wrap the book with. And then we have the blue paper that you could also use to decorate. And we also have some twine, lots of book stickers that we can use, and 6 heart-shaped bookmarks. We also have our tabs that we can put inside of our book, and these cute little book tags, and these pretty decorations. I don't know if you can see that well. It is like a flower imprint, like a rose. So that is what all comes in the kit, and I am so excited to go ahead and decorate these books.